Folks, I said we were going to have it during the show, and we do have it. This letter that is now in draft form is about to be published, but we've got a copy of it that I want to show here right for you. Humanevents.com. So Human Events Media Group, that's the official name of our company, is going to be publishing this open letter to the Honorable Tony F. Graff, Jr. of the 4th District Court of Utah County, State of Utah. And it states, Human Events Media Group, a national news organization committed to transparent and accountable reporting, respectfully urges this court to deny any motion to prohibit video, photographic, or live stream coverage of pretrial and trial proceedings in the capital prosecution of Tyler James Robinson for the murder of conservative activist and leader Charlie Kirk. Such a ban would violate U.S. law, U.S. Supreme Court precedent, First Amendment protections, and the public's fundamental right of access to judicial proceedings. And now we've got all the citations there, but I wanted to dig in on two specific points before we bring our guest in here. And this is Utah Code of Judicial Administration Rule 4-401.01. And here's what's really interesting. It states that in Utah there is a presumption that electronic media coverage by a news reporter shall be permitted in public proceedings where the predominant purpose of the electronic media coverage request is journalism or dissemination of news to the public, the law states. A court may decline to permit cameras if the court determines, quote, there is a reasonable likelihood that media coverage will prejudice the right of the parties to a fair proceeding. So here's the idea, that the presumption is already there under Utah law. Now, this is very expensive compared to other states that don't necessarily have this. And so restricting camera access, restricting live streaming, obviously would be a huge problem. And pretrial publicity alone does not justify camera bans. We covered that in this. We're going to publish this all at humanevents.com. And here's a piece that I wanted to put in. In Section 4, we wrote, banning cameras would amplify misinformation, not reduce it. In the absence of official courtroom footage, speculative secondary content on YouTube or AI-generated reenactments, partisan edits would fill the void. This would stand to increase, not decrease, prejudicial distortion. Live, unedited coverage is the most reliable antidote to misinformation, allowing the public to see proceedings as they occur, not as filtered through third-party narratives. And so this is all going to go up at humanevents.com. We're going to be delivering this to the court very soon. It's really simple. Look, I want everyone to have all of the evidence available. I want everyone to ask for evidence. I want people to be skeptical. I want people to ask questions and push for it. But what I don't want are bans on cameras and bans on evidence that could be coming out.